A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. You are still in the posture of Qiyam, the second posture of your Salat. You have recited Subhanakal, and you have recited Tawuz, and you have recited Tasmiyah. Now you are going to recite the Surah Al-Fatiha. Without Surah Al-Fatiha, Salat is incomplete, rather not acceptable at all. This is the most important part of your Salat. Alhamdu lillahi rabbil alameen. Alif zabar lam al, he zabar mim ham, dal pesh du. Alhamdu lillahi, lam zer lam, lil lam standing zabar la, lillah, he zer hi, lillahi, alhamdu lillahi. There is an alif here. It is the mistake of the composer. There is no alif before Allah, lillah. Alhamdu lillahi rabbil. Okay, I think that I will omit. I will erase it. The alif before lillah, I will erase it. You will not look. You will not find it when you will have this page in front of your screen. Alhamdu lillahi rabbil. Re zabar be rab, be zer lam bil. Rabbil. Alif is omitted, will remain silent. Rabbil. Ain standing zabar a. Rabbil a. Lam zabar la, ala. Alhamdu lillahi rabbil ala. Meen, mim zer ye mi, noon zabar na, meena. Alhamdu lillahi rabbil alameen. Because the sentence is going to be ended, so the zabar of noon will not be pronounced. Alameen, alameen. In some of the texts you will see there is an alif after ain. Alif standing zabar, ain standing zabar alif. You will see the text written in this way: alif, ain standing zabar alif, a. The lam is separated. It doesn't make any difference. There are some ways to write Arabic text. Both are correct. Alhamdu lillahi rabbil alameen. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. You have already read these words, Ar-Rahman and Ar-Rahim, these names of Allah Almighty in Bismillah Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. But here these words are a bit different. Not Hir-Rahman Ar-Rahim, they are Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Alif zabar re, re zabar he rah, rah. Mim zabar, mim standing zabar ma, rah ma. Noon zer re nir, re zabar ra, nirra. He zer ye he, mim zer mi, he mi, nirra he mi. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim mi. Ar-Rahmanir Rahimi. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Mim standing zabar ma, lam zer li, mali, kaf zer ki, maliki, maliki. यौमिद्दीन, ये जबर वाव याव, this is mild वाव sound, not yav, this is rather yav. Mim zer mi, yav mi. Now the mim will join the dal. Mim zer dal mid, dal zer ye di, mid di. Yaw mid di, noon zer ni, yaw mid di ni. Maliki yaw mid di ni, maliki yaw mid di ni, maliki yaw mid din, maliki yaw mid din. This is how you will pronounce it fluently. And in syllables you will pronounce it Maliki Yawmiddin. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. Iyaka. Alif Zer Ye Ye Zabar Ya. Iya, ye zabar alif ya, iya, kaaf zabar ka, iyaka, iyaka, na'budu, noon zabar ain na, be pesh bu, dal pesh du, na'budu, na'budu, iyaka, na'budu. Wa zabar wa, alif zer ye zabar alif ya, kaaf zabar ka, iyaka. You will have to pronounce it as before. Wa iyaka, iyaka na'budu, wa iyaka nasta'in. Noon zabar sin nas, te zabar ta, nasta. Ain zer ye i, nasta i. Noon pesh nu, nasta i nu. Because the ayat is going to be ended here, so you will not pronounce the pesh of noon. You will simply pronounce it Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdina siratal mustaqim. Ihdi, alif zer hai, dal zer di, ihdi. Noon zabar alif na, ihdina. Direct us. Ihdina means direct us. Sirata. Noon is going to join the sad, because sad is with shadda. Noon zabar sad nas. So the alif of noon alif na, and the alif and lam of as-sirat, these three letters are omitted. Ihdi nas, noon zabar swad nas, swad zer si, nas si. Re zabar alif ra, nasira. Ihdi nasira, ihdi nasira. ta, toe zabar ta, nasirata. And because there is a jazm on al-mustaqim, the toe is going to join the lam of al-mustaqim. toe zabar lam tal, ihdina siratal, mim pesh sin mus, ihdina siratal mus, ta zabar ta, इहदिना सिरातल मुस्ता, काफ जेर ये की, मीम जबर मा, की मा, इहदी नसिरा तल मुस्ता की मा, इहदी नसिरा नसिरा नसिरा, रे जबर अलिफ रा, नसिरा तल, toe zabar lam tal, alif is omitted. There is no jazm on lam, but there is a jazm on lam. Here the composer's mistake again. There is no jazm on lam. I will try to put it anyway. If I could not, you will understand it. You will consider it put already. Ihdina siratal mustaqim, सिरातल लजीना, स्वाद जेर सी, रे जबर अलिफ रा, सीरा सीरा, toe zabar ta, sirata. Now there is a shadda on the lam of al-lazin. You have to join the toe, the ta, toe with the lam. सिरातल लजीना, toe zabar lam tal, lam zabar la, talla, सिरातल्ला सिरातल्ला, जाल जेर ये जी, नून जबर ना, जीना, सिरातल्लजीना सिरातल्लजीना, अन अमता, अलिफ जबर नून अन, आइन जबर मीम अम, ते जबर ता, अन अम ता, अन अम ता, सिरातल्ला जीना, अन अम ता, सिरातल्ला सिरातल्ला जीना, अन अम ता, अलैहिम, अली आइन जबर आ, लाम जबर ये लाए, अलाए, there is a mild j sound, alae, he zer mim him, alae him, alae him, सिरातल्लज़ीना अनअमता अलैहिम, गैरिल, गाइन जबर ये गै, रे जेर लाम रिल, गैरिल, मग़दूबी, गैरिल. There is again a jazm on the lam of al-maghdub. The re with zer is going to join this lam. Ghairil magh, mim zabar gain magh, zad pesh waw zu, maghdu, maghzu, bezer bi, maghdubi, ghairil maghdubi, ghairil maghdubi, alaihim, ain zabar a, lam zabar je lae, alae, he zer mim him, alaihim, ghairil maghdubi alaihim waladdallin, waw zabar wa, lam zabar alif la. Because there is a dad, the next word is going to start with zad, and zad is mostly coming with shadda. So the lam is going to join the zad with shadda. Wala da, lam zabar zad laz, zad zabar za, lazza, lazza, wala da. And because there is a shadda on the lam of lean, so this zad is going to join the shadda of on the lam of lean. Wala dallin, lam zer ye li, noon zabarna leena, dallin. You will have to put some stress on the lam. Dallin. And you will have to pronounce the madda equal to 5 alif sounds. Wala dallin. Because ayat is ending up here, so you are not to pronounce the zabar of noon. Why there is a madda? You will come to know with the passage of time, with the next few lessons in your Arabic, that the words, okay, I'll leave it up to you here. I will explain it some other way, on some other place. This is just a grammatical term or grammatical explanation. I have not started the explanation of the words, how they are formed and their meanings also. So when I start the salat with the meanings, I will explain it. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, Ar-Rahmanir Rahim, Maliki Yawmiddin, Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in, Ihdina siratal mustaqim, siratal ladhina an'amta alayhim, ghayril maghdubi alayhim waladdallin. Again, I will say that there are so many charming, enchanting recitations of Quran the Kareem. There are countless qaris in the world. I have just pronounced it as a teacher teaches the child who is going to take admission in the nursery or KG somewhere in the school. This is just a kind of preschool teaching. I hope you will take it and you will not forget to enjoy your salat. Just pay attention to the words, their meanings, their sounds, their pronunciations, and just pay attention to the image of Allah Ta'ala. Allah Ta'ala, you are bowing before. He is merciful, He is kind, He is Rahman, He is Rahim. Think about His love. Think about the blessing He has given you in the form of Islam, the Deen. Don't think about Him otherwise. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.